Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change your TikTok region or your primary country location. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, what you're going to be doing is you're simply going to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. And from this section, you're going to go ahead tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on this three horizontal line on top right corner. Tap on settings and privacy. Then go ahead tap on this upper option of account in the account section. Now go ahead tap on this option of account information, and then go ahead tap on this account region right over here. Then from here you will find all type of countries, like country options. So go ahead search the one that you want to change to. Once I've chosen that, you can see you have to use your TikTok in that area, that region, that country for 60 days, and you will wait for data maintenance to be completed in that region. Then finally it will update accordingly. That's what you need to do, and that's how you will be able to confirm it. Otherwise it will go back to your original region or country. So that's how you do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.